Ma chérie, elle a des secrets dans le cœur.
And I got a big head, I'm blessed.
Hello guys, I'm back today with something very interesting. Someone requested a skincare routine video, which I'm about to do soon, but before we do that, I wanted to gradually introduce some products to you guys that I'm testing out that are also affordable and vegan free and cruelty free for the most part, and they all use like natural products. Like I always tell you guys, makeup means nothing if your skin is not taken care of. I'd rather you guys invest in skincare than to invest in makeup, okay? Because you want to make sure under it is very well taken care of. And so for that reason, I've been on a hunt to really look at my skin type, what it needs. So I've really been into learning about skincare, and because of that, I've found a brand that I feel that it's really cool. And if you guys want to know more about this brand, I think you should stay tuned. The timestamp will be on screen. I will introduce myself in French right now, and I'll see you guys soon. Salut à tous. Donc aujourd'hui je vais faire un haul qui est bien sûr abordable, très moins cher, mais c'est la qualité. Donc ils sont vegan comme on dit en anglais. Ils ne font pas les tests sur les animaux. Ils utilisent le produit naturel et original. J'ai trouvé ça à un prix abordable et je me suis dit pourquoi pas vous donner ça, parce que il y a eu quelques personnes qui m'ont demandé une nouvelle vidéo sur ma routine soin pour le visage, mais je vais le faire plus tard. Et en attendant, je vous montre quelques produits que je teste là, donc j'espère que ça va vous aider. Voilà, comme toujours, c'est abordable, bonne qualité, bon prix, et c'est de la compagnie qu'on appelle The Ordinary. Ils ont deux noms, ils ont DCM, je pense qu'ils ont deux noms, soit c'est DCM ou soit c'est The Abnormal Beauty Company. Et je voulais vous montrer exactement ce que j'ai pris, ce que je compte atteindre comme résultat par rapport aux produits que j'ai achetés. Et bien sûr, ils sont très moins chers. J'ai commandé et en 2 jours, j'ai eu mes produits. Dès que tu passes la commande, ils vont t'envoyer un email qui sont très surchargés et que votre paquet va durer longtemps avant d'arriver chez vous. Mais moi, j'ai pas eu de problème. J'ai reçu mes paquets en moins de 2 jours. Donc, j'ai fait 2 commandes et j'ai reçu mes 2 paquets en moins de 2 jours. Je pense qu'ils ont un centre ici à New York. Donc, je pense que mes produits sont venus de New York. Mais en temps normal, l'origine de cette compagnie, c'est au Canada. Et aussi, je tiens à vous rappeler aussi que ma peau est une peau sèche, donc normale à sèche. Si votre peau est différente de la mienne, il va falloir changer certains de ces produits. Et je vous invite aussi de voir le soin de la peau coréenne. Leur méthode là, je trouve que c'est très long, mais c'est très pratique et efficace. Donc je mets le lien des étapes qu'il faut suivre sur la barre d'infos que j'ai pris ici sur YouTube. Donc voilà, tout est sur internet. Donc j'ai vu une vidéo, il y avait une fille qui a montré le soin de la peau coréenne, et puis j'ai vu ça et je faisais la même chose, mais il y avait quelques produits que je devais ajouter, que j'ai fait cette fois-ci. Si vous êtes intéressé, il y aura le lien sur la barre d'infos. Donc c'est tout. Voilà, je vais vous montrer ce que j'ai pris. Je suis en mode essayage, hein. Je ne sais pas exactement si j'utilise les produits comme il faut, mais d'après mes recherches, je pense que je suis dans le bon chemin. Vous pouvez bien me guider, parce que tu sais, tout s'apprend et on se change d'idée. Donc je suis sûre que je peux commettre des erreurs au fur et à mesure. Donc on se partage, on s'échange. Donc s'il y a des idées à me donner, s'il y a des corrections à faire gentiment, je suis ravie d'écouter. Donc voilà, je vous montre ce que j'ai pris. Je vous en prie de me dire si vous avez déjà eu à essayer cette compagnie, ou bien si après avoir vu ma vidéo, vous passez une commande, venez faire les commentaires pour me dire si ça a marché avec vous, ou bien si vous avez trouvé d'autres produits à me recommander quoi. Mais avant de commencer le haul, je voulais vous dire que cette compagnie particulièrement, donc il y a 2 compagnies que je suis en train de vouloir implémenter dans ma routine. Il y a cette compagnie-ci et une autre compagnie qui viendra dans une vidéo dans la semaine qui suit. Et cette compagnie-ci particulièrement, les produits sont tellement efficaces et forts que il faut protéger votre peau contre le soleil. Sinon, vous risquez de plutôt abîmer votre peau. Donc si vous désirez utiliser ces produits que je vais montrer, il vous faut absolument une crème solaire après avoir mis tous ces produits sur votre peau parce que vous risquez d'abîmer la peau si vous utilisez ces produits sans la crème solaire. La crème solaire, ou comme on dit en anglais, le sunscreen, est très important. Il faut au moins un SPF qui est à 30. Il y a SPF 10, SPF 15 ou même SPF 30. 30 est meilleur. Mieux vaut avoir un peu que de ne rien mettre. Donc voilà, il ne faut pas oublier, c'est très important. Ok, n'oubliez pas de le faire. Et aussi, avec ces produits-ci, on utilise rien que 3 dans notre routine en un seul coup. Donc, si vous voulez utiliser plus de 3, il faut échanger. Peut-être un mois, vous utilisez un groupe de 3 produits et puis le prochain mois, vous changez. Donc, on peut faire les échanges, mais 3 produits par routine, pas plus. Ok? Cette compagnie est très sûre de leurs produits qu'ils vous donnent 365 jours pour retourner les produits. Donc, si vous n'êtes pas satisfait, vous pouvez le retourner chez eux. Pas pour abuser, mais quand même, si ça ne marche vraiment pas avec vous, tu as l'option de le rembourser sans stress, sans se presser. Donc, vous avez 365 jours. Vous voyez que on n'a rien à perdre en essayant les produits de cette compagnie. Donc voilà, je vous présente mon haul. Merci encore. Abonnez-vous, likez, partagez, commentez, revenez dans le futur bien sûr et on se voit à la prochaine comme toujours. Ciao mes amis, merci. So you guys have asked me for a skincare routine. I did one before and I'll have it listed down below, and it's been a while and I like to take my time to bring you guys things because I don't care about the views. I want to give you guys quality and quantity, and I like to know what I'm talking about, so that's why I've been taking so long. So I'm introducing 2 new brands into my skincare routine. I'm really into skincare right now. It's not even funny, and it takes a lot of time because you have to know all the ingredients. So it's very important that you guys read the ingredients to know what you can mix and what you cannot mix and how you can obtain the best results based on your skin type. So you really need to do that if you really want to do something really effective. So I've really been doing a lot of research since I've been asked to do a video because I do want results. I'm looking for even toning, I'm looking for brightening, I'm looking for hydration, I'm looking for making my under eye a little bit more clear, clearing my dark circles, you know, and also I'm looking for dealing with hyperpigmentation. So all that, you know, there are different types of ingredients that come together to do so. So you have to take that time to know your skin type, know what you're looking for, and know how long do you want your routine to be to see how many things you need to buy. And with that said, it costs a lot of money. So my channel is all about getting everything affordable but the best. So I had to do a lot of research. So I found 2 companies plus the other products that I'm using. So I'll be doing a finale video once I really get a good routine going, once I test them out, and you guys will see how I do it and we can change ideas. So right now I'm going to show you one company that I'm currently going to test out. It's very affordable, vegan free, I believe, cruelty free. Yes, it is the Abnormal Beauty company, also known as DCM, I believe. They're based in Canada, but I think they have an office here in New York. And so when I ordered, within 2 to 3 days I got my boxes. So you already know if you're running out right there, you're gonna have your products right away, so no worries about that. Of course, if they're not out of stock. But you know, when I ordered, they said we're having a lot of orders, so we're taking a little bit of time, but I received mine within 2 days, so I don't know, it was really interesting. So yeah, with that said, you need to know everything that you want, write it down, and follow the Korean skincare routine. I think that's very important. It's a long process, but it's very good. I'll link that Korean skincare routine down below so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. Very intense, but I think you will see results for that. With everything said, my skin type is dry, so please remember everything I'm recommending is more geared towards drier skin, but of course you can go there and do the opposite of what I'm doing in terms of the results to see what you can get from there. But I'm more looking for dry skin products. So with that said, I'm going to show you what I got with this company. I also have another video coming with a different company, and then the finale video will be me showing you guys how I'm incorporating everything together. And also I'll do a follow-up telling you guys if it worked and show you some results. And also with this company, the Abnormal Beauty company, you do not want to mix more than 3 of their products at one time in your rotation. So if you have 6 products, you will do 3 1 month and then rotate and do the other 3. So never do more than 3 because they're very potent or very effective. They're original, they're concentrated, pure, with no additives, so you know it's going to work. And with that said, you can have a reaction to it, so that means if you do see a reaction, you should stop and then consult your doctor if it gets worse. But I usually think you should add one at a time so you can see what irritates you. So like I started with one, now I'm gonna add another one, and so on and so forth. So again, everything here is trial and error. I'm really learning as I go, so I may or may not use things the right way or in the wrong order. So I do invite you guys to challenge me or to advise me also, as long as it's politely. Just let me know, oh, you know, maybe you should do it this way, because I'm still learning. I want input. I'm watching a lot of videos, so I definitely recommend you guys try this company out. They're affordable and you get great results. And yeah, so this is like a beginner's guide to effective skincare at an affordable price, and how to shop for the ordinary or the abnormal beauty company, also known as DCM. So let's go right into the haul. Okay, so before I forget, the other reason why I like this company is because they have a strong stand on their products, meaning that they really believe that it's effective and it will work. And if it doesn't, they have a 365-day return policy. I mean, you can't go wrong, so don't abuse it. But of course, if they do that, that means they know what they're giving you, what they're working with. So 365 days return policy. Yeah, so that's the box right here. So I actually did 2 orders, so there you go. In the first box, I actually got 4 things, and I also had the primer, but it wasn't for my skin type, so I won't be using that one. But yeah, I also had that. All right, so the first thing I have here is the Lactic 10%. So if you really have dry skin or even oily skin, it's something that you should add into your routine. But the 10%, it's a peeling solution, so your skin will peel. So you will use this on the weekends where you're not going to go out. This is gonna deal with uneven skin tones, and it's also gonna help with fine lines and uneven texture. So this is the 10%, and I also got the 5%, which I will show you later. But this is the bottle right here. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the 5% first and then go to the 10%, because it's a peeling solution. I'm not used to it yet, but lactic acid is definitely good for brightening the skin. So there you go, that's just that bottle right here. The next thing I got is hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5, and this one is just pretty much for hydration, so anyone can use this. It's a serum that you can just add to your routine before you put your moisturizer on. And yeah, they're usually like the same type of packaging. This is just like a dropper. You just take it and drop it on your skin just like that, and that is pretty much it. Yeah, last but not least, I have the natural moisturizing factors plus H8, which is hyaluronic acid right here. Okay, it comes in a packaging like this, and it's a lot. It's really thick and white and creamy, and it's just gonna moisturize your face. Again, like I said, I'm looking for hydration all the time, especially in the winter and fall, so this would have been good for the winter, but I'm still gonna test this out. I like their packaging. It's just like soft and sleek. So these all came so well packaged, you have no idea. And these are the 4 things that I got from the second box. And I got the caffeine solution 5% plus egg. I heard this would be really good for under your eyes for dark circles. That's what I plan on using this for. They also read on here in French and English, and you guys know I'm bilingual. So yeah, this one comes in a tan bottle right there. This Marula oil, you guys notice it has been huge, so I plan on using this as like my last step, or mixing it with my moisturizer. And it's 100% cold pressed Marula oil, and you can also use this on your hair and your skin. So yeah, I've been wanting to try Marula oil for a while, and everything from Sephora that I've heard has been so expensive, and these are all like under $7, and they're 100% natural, pure, vegan, cruelty free, you name it. And this one is in a tan bottle just like that. Okay. Ooh, the popular high coverage foundation. I didn't want the serum because I don't know, I didn't really hear that many good reviews on the serum. But like, look at that sleek bottle. I'm gonna test this out for you guys, and of course I'm gonna have a tutorial on Instagram, so you guys can check that out soon. I might do this one next week. Definitely 3.2 is looking good as my color shade so far on the outer bottle. I got this in 3.2N, so I hope it's gonna work. So it's a neutral undertone, and I like the sleek packaging right there. So that's just that. Last but not least, I got the, like I was telling you guys, I have the Lactic 5% plus HA. I want to try the 5% first before I go into the 10%, just because of the tolerance. I don't know how my skin is going to react to the acids, because acids are pretty strong, especially when so pure. So yeah, so I'm gonna try the 5%, probably like once or twice a week, see how that goes, and I might do it like 3 times a week, and then once the 5% is done, I might switch to the 10%. So yeah, that's what that is. Another product that was really popular is their Glycolic toner, the one that's like the same thing like the Pixie toner. I wanted that so bad, but I'm on the wait list right now because it keeps getting out of stock and it hasn't been restocked for a while. So if you want to get anything from them, I suggest you put yourself on an email wait list, so that way when they do get it, you jump on it. And they also have free shipping over $30. So definitely it's a great brand to start your skincare routine with. I definitely recommend it. Anyone can do it on any budget and get a good result. Again, their company is DCM, or the Abnormal Beauty Company, so it might be confusing when you go on their website because they have like 2 different links. So make sure you go on the right one, because the other one is very expensive. So always make sure you are on the more affordable side. So if you have any questions, I will link the products down below. And that is all for now. Let me know what your thoughts are. Always praise God, like, comment, share, and subscribe, because I'm watching y'all. These numbers are not going high up enough, okay? The girl is working hard, so I need you guys to share the word, share the videos, share. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah. Ciao, bye.
Put you to the test, just do your best and let God do the rest. And enemies stress, I'm a living witness, I'm the proof. Nothing is impossible, and that's the truth. You can achieve if you plan to. If I can make it, man, you can too.